We have opened the first box and we're about to like
remove the peri-peri
and find all the goodies inside. In fact, I can't wait. So let's just start going through the items. So this is what's this?
This
Okporoko. This is Okporoko. This is stockfish. Stockfish for soup. Hi, I'm so excited.
Guys, now me get stockfish because when they cook them, now me get them.
Okay, so only you eat.
No, you cook the soup and I'll eat it.
Then you eat the soup alone. Then
No.
the person who cooked it won't come.
We're going to enjoy it together, are we not?
Let me get it. Right.
Oh, yeah?
So this one is dry pepper and crayfish. So when you're packaging things from Nigeria based on our shipping, the logistics company we use, you have to put them in a transparent bag so that they can see everything from a quick glance, right?
So that you not pack your snuff and otaba.
So that's dry pepper and crayfish. All for soup. Soup
for me.
This is another stockfish. Woohoo! So this one is going to last me for a while.
This is stockfish head. You know that one that you cut and has soup. It's very nice. This is it.
Yes, so this one is what is this?
This thing looks like this is
I think it's egusi. Yeah, this is egusi.
I know egusi.
No, I wasn't sure because sometimes when it's so wrapped, like double wrapped, I can't tell. Like sometimes it's egusi or ogbono. But yeah, it's obvious this is egusi. So there's more.
You need more trays or bowls or what?
Yes, we'll get more, and this is another
more stockfish head. Another big one, big head. That
There's no odogu here.
It's in the soup. Is odogu.
There's nothing like odogu here, Biko. So for those of you who don't know stockfish, we use it to cook Nigerian egusi or ogbono or bitter leaf, different types of soup that and maybe your own type of soup. But the dry fish adds some good flavor to it. So this is more stockfish.
This is the type of stockfish that you use for making abacha. This is the one for me. In the abacha kingdom, you make it small in pieces, you put it, and this is the real stockfish for abacha.
In fact, with this thing you're saying now, stay tuned for our abacha videos coming soon, and the abacha will be courtesy of
Jesus wants to.
Yours truly.
Yes, abacha queen is here. I am
Abacha queen.
I am the assistant abacha.
Okay, so this is another egusi.
Man, plenty of egusi here. Let's go enjoy soup soon. When I will see the soup when they cook up, we will make the soup very, very much part of
no matter how much we eat,
you can watch.
We need a lack Nigeria food here.
And so you can see that we are eating it for you.
Nigeria still in my body. I cannot resist or not eat.
This is ogbono. So anytime we're making the ogbono soup, we'll invite you to watch, not to eat.
Don't worry, we'll ship some to you. Another stockfish.
Another odogu head for her soup. But this one is the other one that you cut in different forms. So plenty stockfish.
Another stockfish.
Wow, stockfish everywhere. That means this period is going to be a lot of cooking and a lot of enjoyment. Guys, you are invited to watch.
Okay, so this is the one that you guys haven't seen. This is dry fish.
The round mangala fish.
The round one, yes.
The round mangala.
Dry fish.
The one, this is it here.
Used for soup and different varieties of
I'm already salivating for what these things will be called.
There you go, Kukamo.
Cook with
Hey, Monty did not forget this one. This one is suya pepe.
Ha! This is the one that you will see outside when I'm doing
barbecue.
My suya.
So we try to do make believe Nigeria suya here.
It's a real one because this is the suya that our aboki uses. So I will put the abokis here on the meat, and you will see it. You enjoy it with us, with your eye.
Okay, so this is more egusi and pepper.
The way things are, we're going to be eating lots of
more ogbono and pepper. Man,
this is double portion.
Guys, you won't believe this one. Just wait for this one. Nobody will believe me on this one, but I have to say it. So I go as far as requesting pap, which is called akamu.
Akamu, okay.
Yes.
This is it.
From Niger.
This is it.
I mean, I've tried a few from Niger stores here, but I have a very hard time, you know, with the taste and everything. So I specifically asked for the one in Niger because I like to have ginger in
tomorrow
my
morning.
So
this ogi is breakfast in somebody's stomach, not your own.
So this is more pap.
More ogi. Wow.
And this is
egusi
and ogbono. So we have just completed the first box. Now we are moving to the second box.
This is fantabulous. In the whole things inside it is a lot of goodies. In the Niger way, you know, when you hear goodies. Box number 2. Dance here. I know some things here for me directly, so that's why I'm dance here.
I mean, a lot of these things you can still get from Nigerian shop, but honestly, even in as much as we get them from Nigerian shop here in Canada, from time to time we still get them packaged like this from home, and they last longer. And Nigerian food here is not cheap. They are very, very expensive. Sometimes you find that when you ship, it's even a lot better than, you know. But that doesn't mean that you should not go to Nigeria store and support the business, the local business. But you need to sometimes ship from home so that you can get the direct taste and the natural taste of home. Okay, so now we're on to the second box. Are you ready?
I can even smell Cameroon pepper. My nose is feeling it.
I don't know what we have there. I'm sure it's okay. So this is
rubber band. I don't know what, I don't have hair to tie.
Okay, so this is dry fish.
Another mangala.
Dry fish.
Mangala.
It's as if I'll make soup this night like this.
No, not this night. It's late. Tomorrow. You say your eye will be clear.
Looking at all these things, I don't even know. I'll make soup anyway. Let me just calm down.
Tomorrow.
Let me calm down. Sorry, guys.
When your eyes are clear.
So my eye is not clear.
Now it's late night. And I think you took some Baileys.
I did it too.
Mangala.
Okay, so hey, if I tell you what I'm about to bring out now, people will shout. But let me show you. I requested for puli.
Hi!
He didn't know.
I didn't know. This is special
request. So
hi, man.
Puli is made from what's it called? Peanuts. Yeah, peanuts. From peanuts, and is blended. I don't know the process, but you know,
tasty.
It's really tasty. Nice. You can use it to drink garri. You can eat it alone. Yeah. You can do whatever you want with it. But I've missed it so much. I haven't had it in years.
I don't even know the last time I had puli. To be honest, it's been a long time.
Don't worry. This night I'll give you for dinner.
Thank you. Thank you. See, I told you she must have taken some Baileys. She's already offering me things.
I didn't know. Okay, so we got Maggi as well. So we got some Maggi. This is Maggi.
The real Maggi. Maggi
crayfish.
This one.
I know sometimes you wonder, this thing's not here. They're here. It's not like they're not here. But sometimes, like I said, when you get them in bulk, like they last longer. And then you can get everything.
Actually, because we buy it from Nigeria.
Yeah. More. I recently got palm oil, like how many liters?
Yeah,
25 liters of palm oil, and that thing has lasted me for like almost 6 months now.
Yeah.
I still have a lot left, so it's always very good. So I have curry
for the stew and all the things.
So I also requested for let me show you guys, shea butter. So I always get natural shea butter because I like to use shea butter from back home. So I got that
For hair, for body.
Yeah, for hair and for the body, because winter season your body is so dry, it's white, so by the time you apply shea butter you feel your skin, you know, feeling soft and smooth. So my mom bought me some rishi spices. You know how Nigeria is now, different types of spices like fried rice, jollof rice, goat spice, you know, different types. And I know the only place I can get that is Nigeria. So she got me some. I trust my mom. My mom didn't slack at all. My mom not correct. Like my mom knows what I need. She understands me. So all I need to say is, mommy, please, I need Nigeria stuff. The woman is going to get them for me just the way I like it. So this is more shea butter. This is Maggi, more Maggi. So normally I get some plantain chips too. She'll add plantain chips.
Oh, this is plantain chips.
That's fancy for you. That's my
these
mom.
People have made it. You know, they have made it cracked a little bit, but then it has.
It's the packaging. We can't.
This is still gonna be alright for us.
Yeah. So that's plantain chips. You like it, and you know you can use
a bag of plantain chips here may cost you like $10.
Yeah, sometimes. Yeah, depends on the quantity.
We better get some from Nigeria.
Yeah. So more Maggi.
More food.
See, as I'm excited. This night I'm going to eat all these snacks.
These are some nice.
I've been craving.
These are spicy chips.
Spicy chips, yes, plantain chips. And then my mom got me a box of curry powder, just the way I like it.
Wow.
Nice box of curry powder. She knows I like this.
Wow.
This flavor of curry, I like it. Okay, so what we have left here. Hey, my mom got me tiger nut too. Well, I want to see tiger nuts here. So she got me some tiger nuts because I love them. So they're hard right now. So what I'll do is I'll.
So my mother-in-law got it for me. So you guys know it was for me. But this one wants to tip it.
This one is your own package, yo. Guess what? We got some traditional outfits.
Real
direct from Nigeria.
Traditional outfit.
From his tailor.
This is gonna be still a package. I'll show you later when I wear it. But this is a special design.
You don't want them to see it yet,
no,
have you?
You guys will not see it. This is a special design for traditional dresses that was
for traditional occasions.
Yeah, it was made specially by my designer in Aba. The real people are making
all the way from Aba. Yeah, we have to support.
This one is not Bible, so that you guys will not think I have bought Bible.
You have what do you mean?
This is my neck chain.
It goes with the traditional outfit.
So this is it.
Okay.
And this one is from another Nigerian design.
Yeah, more Nigerian clothes.
More Nigerian clothes.
See, it's only him. I don't have any clothes, so he didn't get from me.
This one loses.
Not so. Hey, if I show you guys this one to all my Igbos, guess what?
I am going to check it out. I am going to see if it's the real thing or not. You guys just be aware.
You already started eating, Abi. I thought we were supposed to wait.
One of them?
Yeah, of course.
Small, just two.
Just.
This one is for some people. It's a special order.
Try. I have missed all these types of food and more Nigeria outfits.
Wow. Outfits for parties.
This is amazing. This is one of the favorite things I like to do. I like to unbox things from Nigeria because there's always something in there that I can start chewing like right away. And of course I love my Nigeria food.